Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by switching to editable poly or adding an editable poly modifier. This gives direct edge control. Next, enter edge subobject mode and pick the problematic edge, making sure to use ring or loop when the edge spans multiple faces. If the mesh is dense, use paint selection to isolate curved regions quickly. Once done, confirm normals and smoothing groups so you don't remove a seam unintentionally. This prepares the model for safe edge operations without breaking UVs or shading. You now decide whether to remove or delete the edge. Choose remove when you want adjacent faces to remain, and delete when you plan to fill holes. Make sure preserve UVs is toggled if you need to keep mapping intact. Once removed, inspect the resulting vertex configuration. Weld any duplicate vertices at a small threshold, or collapse an edge to simplify. Then use target weld, connect, or freeform to restore clean topology and maintain quad flow, which improves deformation and smoothing. You finish by checking normals and smoothing groups. If shading looks wrong, flip normals or reset smoothing to fix artifacts. Once done, relax the surrounding vertices or add a swift loop to even out flow and prevent pinching. Make sure UVs still align and run a quick render preview. If a hole appeared, use bridge or cap, or rebuild the face with create tools and a boolean as last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if shading remains odd, perform a small weld with a 0.0010.01 threshold to remove hidden duplicate vertices.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.